Hey there. Welcome to this quick math explainer. Let's break down functions in the simplest way possible. A function is like a machine that takes in an input and produces an output. For example, here, fx is a function called f that takes in an input of x to produce an output of 2 times x. If you change the input to 2, the output will be 2 times 2, which is 4. Likewise, if the input is 5, the output will be 2 times 5, which is 10. Functions can be written in many ways. So if you see fx, gx, or even px, they're all still functions, just with different names. They can also be written in this format, which still means the same thing. In this case, the function f takes an input of x to produce an output of x plus 2. Math doesn't have to be hard. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more quick math tips just like this.